We are Mecky and Fernie. We are navigating America's Great Loop on our 34-foot PDQ Powercat. Join us on our adventures at Time for Act 2. See you soon. Bye-bye, Kingston, Ontario, Canada. This was a good stop before heading to Trent and the Trent Severn Canal. Lots of places to eat, and there's a grocery so you can do provisions, and lots of friendly people. So good stop, Kingston. Bye bye. Here we are, Canadian geese. They are everywhere. They are the buffalo of Canada, Canadian geese. Goodbye, Trent Port Marina. This is an awesome stop to do provisions. Bye. We got loopers saying the Grand Banks folks saying goodbye. And it's a great place to do laundry. So bye-bye, Trenton. We are off to the Trent Severn Canal. Very, very excited to do the Trent Severn. It's a big part of the Great Loop. So bye-bye, Trenton. And here we are. This is the gateway to the Trent Severn Historical Canal in Canada. Can't believe we're here. We are here at the gateway. Very exciting. First lock on the Trent Severn just opened. It's a little bit past 9, and we got directions for the first 2 boats to go on inside. So we're the 3rd boat, and we are waiting for the lockmaster to give us directions on when to proceed inside and what side of the lock to park in. And that's Fernie returning from buying the pass to go one way on the Trent Severn. So we're definitely on our way. That's where we're going, right there. And that was lock 2 on the Trent Severn. We're on our way. We're getting into the lock groove again. Captain.
Yes.
What lock are we on the Trent Severn?
Number 3.
Number 3.
Lock number 3.
Out of how many, Fernie?
There's actually the number up to 45, but I believe we only have to traverse 43 actual locks.
So after this one, we got 40 more?
That's correct.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Entering the lock. So I wanted to show how we were doing these locks at the Trent Severn. We're actually looping our rope along their cables, and their cables go all the way to the top. And I'm looping a rope here, and then I'm using the cleat as leverage to hold the boat in place. So we have one at the bow, and then Fernie's at the stern holding or tending to another line. So that's how we're doing these locks. You can see how the rope is moving up the line. The lines, those cables are connected to the lock wall, and you can see how the boat is floating up and the rope is going up with it. So here we are at the lock, and we always have spectators at the lock, and these locks are manual. So as you can see, the lockmasters are turning to open up the gate. So that's kind of different, a different thing that you see the Severn, the Trent Severn locks. Here we are approaching the lock number 5 called Trent, and we're actually making pretty good time on these locks. So ready to do some locking. The geese are blocking our way.
Not for long.
What happens? What happens when we go through the line?
They'll break.
I think they will. Oh, there's this one guy.
This one guy that can't make up his mind which shore he wants to go. Which side?
What is gonna happen with this guy? Oh, he's making a getaway. He's making a getaway. Ah, there we go. It's like they're watching our every move. Look at them, all lined up there. Who knows what they're planning? And we are heading to lock number 9 on the Trent Severn. Real nice, nice cruising, very relaxing, and the locks have been pretty good too. So they've been good to us. So off we go. is the kind of like the shore, the banks of the Trent Severn. This is what it looks like. It's dotted with little houses and whatnot. Might be like little summer homes. Very campy-like. More pictures of the houses on the shore of the Trent Severn. This particular stretch is full of a lot of cute little houses. And they're all waving their Canadian flags. Very pretty area. Nice place to spend the summer. And of course you have the geese. The geese. I'm taking more video because this is such a cute area along the canal. Just very picturesque. And very summer-like. I'm sure it's not like this in the winter, but right now it's really pretty with all the houses on the banks of the canal. We even got kids and families playing in the canal. But let me tell you, this is probably pretty darn cold. But they look like they're having fun.
It's a big one. Okay, now T-Rex is on the other side.
Bye-bye Campbellford, Ontario. Thank you for a great stop. We did 12 locks yesterday, so we needed a good night's rest and a good meal, and you did not disappoint. So bye-bye Campbellford, Ontario in Canada.